Well, hey guys and gals, it's Dane at JONAH Guitars. I been out in the shop here for a few hours. It's Sunday afternoon. I was just mainly today wanting to say that I've hit 1,000 subs after what seems like a very, very, very long time. And I just want to say thanks to the guys that have been here pretty much from the start. Been encouraging me to just stay at it, build it and they will come kind of thing. But I'm somewhere in the over 1,010 now. It's getting out of control. Yeah, like I said, I appreciate you guys that have been hanging out. Appreciate all the new subs as well. And just going to keep doing what I'm doing. I am looking into monetization. I hope that if that works out, that you guys can just sit through the first, 15 seconds of a commercial or whatever. Help me out with that. It's not even happening yet, so don't panic. Also, then I just want to show you kind of, make this an update as well and show you what I've been messing with. I did some fretboards here a while back because I've got some necks I'm building. Got a couple guitars I'm building. This neck is obviously it's fretted. It's not shaped yet. It's not even cut to a relative contour or anything like that. Just did a blank. Another blank and routed a truss rod channel in it. This thing is really heavy because it's primarily maple. Oh, I should tell you what the other one had in it. So maple and walnut. The center stripe is walnut. I'm not trying to kind of make it look like a skunk stripe, but it sort of does from the back. Of course, it goes all the way through the peg head. Anyway, so I got the truss rod channel routed in that. I like these for my builds. So I'm not trying to copy anybody. I like the rear adjust spoke wheel. I don't not that on a flat headstock, which these both are. It's ever an issue, but I like the rear adjust spoke wheel. Just in this case, let me grab. Neither of these. I got a couple of pick cards laying here. Neither of these are fit yet, but we'll notch that around the spoke wheel so you have access to the spoke wheel when it's in the guitar. You don't have to pull the neck off, of course. This is a set neck, so you won't be pulling that off. This is Peely and mahogany on it. It also has the stripe that goes through all the way through. As you can see, it here as well. So same thing on this one. I like the accent. I think it helps make the neck a little stronger. I like the accent. Also, I just think it looks good. And then I've got the Wingate fretboards that I did a bunch of. This guitar body, this is the first of the two that I'm building. I don't know what I'm making the other one out of yet. I've got mahogany floating around here. So it may be a mahogany. So this is a spalted alder back on this one. And then a maple cap. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. And I didn't, in this case, I didn't bend the contour over the corner here. I didn't want the top to be that thin. And this is my own body design. This is some kind of offset. You can see it's not even from the top waist to the bottom waist. I had made these previously. They had a little more roundy body. I pushed the corners out a bit on these, and then the horns are a little different. So it's not a Strat, it's not a Tele, it's not an Ibanez, it's not anything. I mean, you look long enough, you're bound to find something that it resembles. I like the cutaways that you can, get in with your 3-inch sanding disc and 3-inch cutter on the shaper and cut that out. I also like doing the neck contour like that so that you have a nice, easy, and I'll shape the neck too when I do that, so it's all the same. Anyway, I was planning on painting this guitar, but the more people that see it keep telling me that, you should just clear that thing. So I might just put a wash on it of some kind of color if I can settle on a color. Tell me. I'm trying to remember what the name of the color is. It's a metallic blue that came out on Mustangs in about 2005. I want to say it's Windmere or something around those terms. I really like that color. And I was planning on painting this guitar that color, because it's not a book matched. I'm a little finicky though. It's not book matched. So I thought, well, you know what? Let's just paint the whole thing. And I gotta tell you, I'm not a super fan of the sapele color here either. This is white sapele, and it's kind of green looking to me. So I might. I was just going to paint the body and the neck and everything, and not, so. But I think I'm going to just clear this. Maybe put a wash on this body and clear it. I think this wood looks really nice, even though it's not book matched. So we'll probably go with that. What else here? Oh, and I know you've all heard about the Great Guitar Build-Off. All the unofficial entries have all hopped on that bandwagon. It's after, I'm trying to think how many years. I did 7 or 8 videos 10 years or longer ago, maybe longer ago than that. I still get people commenting and making rude comments because they were really short. I didn't know anything about editing. So every time I was done with a sentence or a certain aspect, and it only took 15 or 30 seconds, I just cut it. And then they were kind of intended just to watch one after the other to kind of keep the context. I didn't do another video after that for years. I think maybe 5 years. Just because I was, I thought I'd give it a try. Everybody was just nasty. So I don't need any part of that community. Everybody's just being nasty. So, but at some point I thought, I'm going to give it another try. And so I want to say about 7 years ago, I started kind of doing at least one a week, maybe more. I've got over 300 videos at this point. And I'm not begrudging anybody that's just jumped on the bandwagon with this Great Guitar Build-Off. I think it's a great idea. The thing is, for the last 20 plus years, I've been doing guitar builds, and for the last 7, I've been filming things seriously. And quite honestly, it didn't seem like there was that much interest outside a few faithfuls that were either building on their own or, and very interested in that sort of thing. Anyway, so this Great Guitar Build-Off, there's a lot of people that have jumped into that. There's like over 100 unofficial entries that have over a month now to get a guitar built. Just let me officially say I'm not entering that contest. I've been doing this for a long time, a lot longer than I've been doing videos about it. And I sell guitars. I do a buttload of repairs for people. And I started this out as a hobby, and just thought it would be fun to be able to build guitars and maybe sell one once in a while. I don't need to be in a contest to prove to anybody that I can build a guitar. I've been doing it for years. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, and I know at least 1,010 of you have so far, go ahead, tell your friends, share the videos, that sort of thing. That's how I'm going to build a YouTube presence, is by the folks that like what I do, sharing the video with their friends. and recommending it, sharing it on Facebook, wherever you feel you might know people that are into this sort of thing. So appreciate it. Again, appreciate the 1,000 subs. I am at a place now with the views and with the subs that I can monetize. And I try, I don't have a web page. I'm not selling anything. I don't have t-shirts or coffee mugs or Patreon or any of that stuff. So please don't begrudge me a shot at making a few cents here and there. Actually, I was reading, if you don't make at least $100 a month, they don't even bother sending you any money. So I probably really still don't stand much of a chance on actually seeing any revenue from this. Every dime I make in guitars, I put back into equipment to make guitars with, or equipment to record, to film. The filming and the editing is still very low budget. And, if that's important to you, I'm sorry. But it's, I'm more interested in building guitars than I am in making any better video than I'm already making. So if that's an apology, that's as much as one of you going to get. All right, so wind it up. Thanks a lot for the subs. Keep watching. Keep commenting. You see something I'm doing that you would like more information about, I'm happy to do that. I would be happy to do a very short live stream and answer questions. Here's a controversial. The live streams, I just saw a guy that I sub to. He had over a 3-hour live stream. I never get to watch them when they happen because I'm working or I'm working out here. But I'm not going to sit and watch some guy yammer on for 3 hours. I think that in a lot of ways that these super long live streams are going to be the death of some of these channels, because I don't think I'm that different than a lot of people that even an hour long, stream, if you've got something to say and it keeps my interest for an hour, but if it's just, I've seen it, just you sitting there going like, well, hey, what do you guys want to talk about? And it's like, okay, I don't have time for this. So I think that it's fun, easy for the guys doing it because they don't have to go back and edit videos after they've done them. They just spit them out and it's out there. And but I think it could be a problem in the future if too many people doing hour-long, 2-hour-long, and longer live streams. I think your subs would have to be really dedicated to sit there and watch it for any period of time. But then again, maybe it's just watch for a certain amount of time and it's all good. I'm not sure how all this algorithm stuff works. Anyway, I'll keep you posted on all these projects, all this stuff. Once again, one more time, I appreciate you guys watching and on the subs, and thank you much. Have a great rest of your day or evening.